Ever catch yourself endlessly scrolling, watching videos, or reorganizing your desk when you know there's something important you should be doing? Here's the kicker: it's not your fault. Your brain is literally wired to procrastinate. But what if you could flip a switch in your brain and finally beat procrastination for good? In this video, you'll discover the shocking science behind why you put things off and a simple 3-step system to finally get things done. Stick around because these steps could change your productivity forever. Let's bust a myth right up front. Procrastination isn't about being lazy or lacking willpower. It's actually a tug-of-war between two powerful parts of your brain. On one side, you've got your limbic system, the pleasure seeker. This part wants instant gratification, snacks, scrolling, anything that feels good right now. On the other side sits your prefrontal cortex, the planner. This is the rational part that sets goals, makes schedules, and wants you to be productive. Whenever you face a boring, overwhelming, or uncomfortable task, your limbic system jumps in and tries to hijack the controls. Instead of tackling your to-do list, you end up doing literally anything else. Checking your phone, cleaning your kitchen, or binge-watching videos. Sound familiar? It's not weakness. It's just the way your brain is built. Scientists have even scanned brains during procrastination and found the limbic system lighting up, pulling attention away from the tasks that matter. So next time you catch yourself procrastinating, remember, it's biology, not a character flaw. If your brain has ever convinced you to do laundry instead of your real work, hit that like button right now. Let's see how many of us are battling the same sneaky wiring. Here's where it gets really interesting. Procrastination is your brain's built-in way of dodging discomfort. When you avoid a tough or boring task, your brain rewards you with a hit of dopamine, the same feel-good chemical you get from eating chocolate or getting a new notification. That tiny reward makes your brain want to avoid the task again next time. The more you procrastinate, the stronger this habit loop becomes. You're not weak. Your brain is just responding to the little chemical bribes it gives itself. This is why even the most disciplined people can fall into the procrastination trap. It's literally hardwired into our biology. But here's the good news. Just as your brain learned to procrastinate, it can also learn to break the cycle. If you've ever said, "I'll do it tomorrow," type tomorrow in the chat. Let's see who's brave enough to admit it. Ready to flip the script on procrastination? Here's your science-backed 3-step fix. Step 1. The 2-minute rule. Tell yourself, "I'll just do 2 minutes." That's it. The hardest part of any task is simply starting. When you commit to just 2 minutes, you trick your brain past the resistance. 9 times out of 10, once you start, you'll keep going. This works for anything like writing or cleaning. Step 2. Make it visible. Write your task on a sticky note and put it somewhere you can't ignore. Your phone, your fridge, even your bathroom mirror. The more visible your task, the less likely you are to forget or avoid it. Visibility equals accountability. It's a simple trick, but it makes a huge difference in getting things done. Step 3. Reward yourself. Promise yourself a small reward after you finish. It could be a snack, a 5-minute break, or even just checking your messages. This rewires your brain to associate completing tasks with pleasure, not pain. Over time, your brain starts craving the reward at the end of the task, not just the quick dopamine hit from procrastinating. Which of these steps do you think will help you the most? 1, 2, or 3? Vote in the comments below. And if you've got your own anti-procrastination hack, share it. Let's help each other out. Remember, your brain isn't broken. It's just running an old program. But with these 3 steps, you can rewrite the code and take back control of your time and your life. If you found this helpful, smash that subscribe button and share this video with a friend who needs a productivity boost. And if you want more science-backed tips for mastering your mind and getting things done, check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Now go crush that task you've been putting off.